VMAX Zone Parts Headlights VP655L Headlight Left Side Headlamp, as of my last knowledge update in January 2022. It's possible that this product was released after that date, or it may not have gained significant popularity or reviews in the online automotive community. If you are interested in purchasing this headlight or learning more about it, I would recommend checking online retailers, automotive forums, and customer reviews on e-commerce websites for the most up-to-date and detailed information. Reading reviews from other customers who have purchased and used the product can provide valuable insights into its performance, quality, and overall satisfaction. When researching automotive parts like headlights, it's essential to consider factors such as compatibility with your vehicle's make and model, the quality of materials and construction, ease of installation, and the manufacturer's reputation for producing reliable and durable products. Reading reviews from other customers who have purchased and used the product can provide valuable insights into its performance, quality, and overall satisfaction.